You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this word once and for all correctly. 2 different pronunciations in English. If you want to learn more names from science, included biology, stay tuned. I've got more videos for you. Psilocin also. Yes, it's quite commonly when you have words starting with silo. The P is silent, first of all, and it's silo or psilocin also. So both pronunciations are indeed correct English pronunciations. Psilocin or psilocin. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.